So this week, I worked on the bulk mail processing module of the application, of the web application. Um, Had a lot of challenges this week. Uh, uh, the REST API is broken into minute details, so lots of classes and especially view view model classes and what got posted back to the REST API was often different than what I had to pull down. But this is the template for the web form that I created in HTML modified using some of the controls from the Volonic web model. And over in our Studio Enterprise, that's our CRM that we use at work. I created an account with first name Georgia, last name Southern. Um, as you can see, it has a currently valid address code. We're going to make that be return mail in a minute. We're also going to change some things about the address. Right now, I just have a fake address of P.O. Box 100, Colbert, Georgia. I'm going to go over to SE Tools. I'm going to sign in, and then I will have to authenticate on my phone. Two-factor authentication. And then we will log in, go to our bulk menu processing. We'll use the account number that I've been working with. Hitting enter. Loads the account. It is account type I, first name Georgia, last name Southern. First thing we're going to do is simply fix account only, so none of the other stuff will happen. It grays out the contact restrictions and the address error. It does provide a feedback that we had some return mail with change of address. So here we're going to just add a line 2 of test. We're going to add a middle name of test. Update the account. Comes back and says the account number was updated, return mail with change of address. If we pull the count back up, we can now see that the middle name is test and the address line 2 is test. So I'm going to remove those this time. And for this test, we're going to do return mail. Let's do box closed. I haven't tested that one, but I've tested the other ones. Update account. Says it was updated, box is closed. We can verify that by going over here. I'll have to search and refresh this account. Get my account number again. Go to codes. Takes it a minute to load. I am on slower internet. We lost internet at my house about 2 o'clock this afternoon. So address classification is now return mail received. We can go down through, let's see, alerts, notes, history. We should have a DDC AC alert, which is return mail. That just shows at the top of the screen. Over here, you can see where it says account. Over here, you can see where it says account was flagged for return mail. And then down in feedbacks, we have a feedback that says com return, mail return. The first time we did it, we got one of those as well, but that one says return mail with change of address. The second one says box is closed. So each time we do something through here, it will write a feedback so that the communicators on the phone or the communicators in the mailroom will be able to tell what's going on. The other thing we have not tested is to remove all mail, cancel all mail. And when we cancel all mail, I had a It says return mail refused. And can go back to Studio Enterprise, research our account. I'm going to do it this way so I don't lose it this time. Now, if we go to subscriptions, I forgot to show that I had a subscription, but in our subscriptions maintenance, we now have the account was put on hold. I'll go ahead and activate that and test it one more time just to prove that it is working. I made that active. Back to SE Tools, load the account, cancel all mail, which will cancel the subscription, update account, go back to SE, refresh the information, down to subscriptions. Too far. And it is on hold. We do have in the feedback, let's see, where do I have feedback? Feedback, we have the new feedback that will tell us that return mail refused. So it's just taking whatever comment is in that box and writing it into this comment. But it also displays that to the user when it shows that it was updated. So that's this week's update. The one thing I did not get done that I wanted to get done, right now this is hardwired. I do want to make the saw only show up when it is for the user. I just ran out of time today because I've been having to replicate everything on my laptop today. So we will get that done next week along with the next module that I wanted to start on. Thank you.